a hypothetical software-based artificial intelligence system with an intellectual scope beyond human intelligence. Imagine a world where humanity has successfully achieved artificial superintelligence, ASI, and suddenly, there it was. Something that far exceeded our intelligence and comprehension. Something that we created. Chapter 1. What is ASI? We can divide the types of AI into three: narrow AI, AGI, and finally ASI. Narrow AI. These are designed for specific tasks, and while they seem impressive, they're nowhere near human-level intelligence. Basically super-powered interns who excel at one specific task. But what if an AI could do everything a human can do? That's the final boss, AGI. What if that AI doesn't just match us, but leaves us in the dust? We're not even in the same league. We'd be toddlers staring up at a genius who's already figured out the meaning of life. And probably got bored of it. It starts off solving climate change and curing diseases. But then, it decides that humans themselves are at the root of most problems. What if we end up on its list of things to fix? Loss of control. Explaining your goals to intelligence that's light years ahead of you would feel like describing colors to someone who sees ultraviolet light. They operate on a level we can barely grasp. How do we ensure ASI works in our best interests if we can't even comprehend its thought process? Misaligned goals. What if we create an ASI with the goal of maximizing happiness, and it decides the best way to do that is by putting everyone in a permanent state of drugged euphoria? Or worse, even well-intentioned goals could lead to disastrous outcomes when interpreted by an intelligence that doesn't think like us. What is the AI singularity? At its core, the singularity is about a tipping point. Imagine an AI system so powerful that it can rewrite its own code to become smarter. Then that smarter AI rewrites itself again and again in a self-reinforcing loop we call an intelligence explosion. It's like setting off a rocket that keeps refueling itself mid-flight. Why is this significant? Because once an AI can self-improve faster than humans can control it, it could theoretically surpass human intelligence in every conceivable way. Not just solving equations or driving cars, but innovating, strategizing, and even deciding what problems to solve next. To understand the singularity, we need to dissect its core components. First, there's self-improvement. AI today learns from data, but it's still dependent on humans to train it. The singularity envisions AI that designs and trains itself. Second, there's exponential growth. Unlike human progress, which often happens in steps, AI improvement could happen on an accelerating curve. Picture a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster with every turn. These three elements, self-improvement, exponential growth, and general intelligence, combine to create a hypothetical tipping point where AI not only matches human intelligence, but surpasses it in ways we can't yet predict. I.J. Good's intelligence explosion theory. Good posited that once a machine surpasses human intelligence, it would be capable of designing even more intelligent machines. This cycle of self-improvement could lead to an exponential increase in intelligence levels, creating what he called an intelligence explosion. Tipping point. The critical moment occurs when machines no longer rely on human guidance for their development. At this point, the speed and trajectory of progress could surpass human control. This could either solve many of humanity's problems or pose existential risks, depending on how the intelligence evolves and aligns with human values.